In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix no Wi-Fi networks found in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, that is often caused by a driver hang in the recent update or a sleep state glitch where the wireless card fails to wake up. So modern laptops often have static buildup that prevents the Wi-Fi card from initializing properly. So what you want to do is unplug your charger, and then press and hold the physical power button for 30 full seconds. The laptop will turn off and then potentially flash its lights, and then just keep holding, then turn it back on. This is going to force the motherboard to redetect the Wi-Fi hardware from scratch. If your Wi-Fi card is running but not searching, the driver likely crashed during a background update. So right click your Windows button and then go over and click on Device Manager, which is going to be right there. Then go ahead and expand Network Adapters, right click your Wi-Fi controller, and then once you go ahead and do that, select Disable Device. Wait 5 seconds and then re-enable the device. If you see a yellow triangle, right click it and select Uninstall Device. Then restart your laptops and Windows will reinstall it automatically. Now, the final thing that I would recommend doing is going over and right clicking and then running terminal as admin. I'm just going to do it as normal though. And then what you want to do is paste these 3 commands. So this is the first one. Once you type it in, press enter. Then the next one is this one. Once you type this in, press enter as well. You can just pause it as well if you need to. And then type in this one finally, and then press enter. Then restart your computer. Then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.